Hello everyone and welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shots. In today's video gonna show you how to change the name in your Roblox account. So if you have a MacBook and you have Roblox already installed and you don't know how to change your name, I'm here to help you. So as a first step that we have to do is to go to Roblox. Here we have our account and here the name that we must change. So click on your name and then move here to edit profile. Then you see this. So as soon as you click on this, it must be show you that you have to delete your old name and then change it with your new name. So in my case, I have already changed the name and I have to wait at least 7 days before I change it again. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share it with your friends.